So with target right here, I see that it's trading in a channel right now. Right now it's below the 20 MA and above the VWAP, and it was hitting the support, so I thought I would go ahead and take a position on the support and go ahead and place my stop below the VWAP. Right here it played around the VWAP for a few seconds, and it finally goes ahead and tags me out right there on my stop. And then a few seconds later it validates that VWAP, and then it just starts to go back up into the trading range again. And on the next stock, Quantum, it breaks through that 20 SMA and it holds it down. It breaks out of that support line and through the VWAP, and then it goes down a little bit, but then retraces back up to the new resistance level. And right around this time, I probably would have taken a short position because I see it has a lot of resistance above it with the 20 MA and that resistance line I have drawn right there. So right here, it was pretty close to the line, so I would have went ahead and taken a position, and then I would have placed my stops above the highest resistance line I have right there and above the 20 MA. So finally right here, it has its big sell-off I was expecting and waiting for. It was a pretty big red candle. It went down pretty far. Some people started taking their profits around here, and it retraced a little bit. I still would have been holding right here because I didn't see any big levels that would have stopped it. And then it pushed a little bit further and made a new candle. And I would have held this position right here. I may have sold it, but I would have probably held it here to see what the next candle did. And if it turned green for a second, I probably would have went ahead and sold out of my position right here and took my profits. And we did have a green candle form, so I definitely would have gone ahead and closed my position right there. And as you can see, I dragged it down, and that was about 7% profit on that one trade right there. After closing the position right here, it goes up green a little and then back red, and it goes down towards that support line again. And if I was being really aggressive, I could have taken another position here, expecting a pullback to the MA from that support line. And I could have had a pretty tight stop loss as well, just below that line. And if I had done that, it would have worked out, and I would have made a pretty easy 3 to 4% profit right there. So the whole trade would have been about 10% if I had followed through with it and done what I was wanting to do with it.